One way of doing this question, of course, is to work out each of these. So if I want 2 to the 6, I can just keep times in by 2. That'll be 2 squared, 2 cubed, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 5, 2 to the 6. And 3 to the 5 you can do in the same sort of way. 3, 9, 27, 81. It's good to know that 3 to the 4 is actually the same as 9 squared, because you can get that by using the third rule of indices. And after that, if we times it by 3 again, I'm going to get 243. So that's the winner at the moment. 4 to the 4, um, let's do it. So it'd be 4, 16, 4 cubed is 64, and then we get 256. Of course, if you don't know these, then you'd have to, you would have to work them out. I'm going to show you some quicker ways in a minute though. So 256, actually that one's now winning. 5 cubed, 5, 25, 125, and 6 squared is just 36. So the answer is going to be C. Some ways that you could speed things up, you could write 2 to the 6 as it's going to be 2 squared to the 3, which is 4 to the 3. And you don't even need to work it out because you can see it's going to be smaller than 4 to the 4. What else? How else we take shortcuts? It's not like 4 to the 4. You could write it as 4 squared, which is 16 squared, and you might know that that is 256. Of course, you could even write it as it would be 2 squared to the 4, which is 2 to the 8, and you could keep this going here. We had 2 to the 6, so then it's going to be 2 to the 7 and 2 to the 8. Lots of different things you can do for these powers, but ultimately we've got 4 to the 4 as our largest value.